Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are all guys? I wish all are in good health by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Aryan Art Academy and my name is Aryan Alam Farhan. So today I'm going to show you guys a simple noksha design of triangle pattern. So it is very easy to draw, and if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new notification from my channel. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button, and you can also comment in my video how was my video and what I need to improve in my video. So let's go and watch the video.